This is Jess from jesshuff.com. This is a tutorial on how to finish and attach ears that are folded on the bottom and are attached from front to back on the head. At this point, you should have a completed head and 2 completed ears that have been fastened off with a 30-inch tail. To complete each ear, pinch the final round together and slip stitch it closed. Thread the yarn tail through a yarn needle. Now fold that slip-stitched edge in half and sew it closed under the slip stitches using a running stitch. Then thread the tail so it exits out on the front of the ear at the base. Repeat this process for the other ear. This part is optional, but I prefer to use a disappearing ink marker to draw out a guide before I sew the ear to the head. I find this helps me sew my ear on straight rather than veering off to one side or the other. If the pattern doesn't show you where to start attaching each ear, just use your best judgment. The last step is to sew each ear to the head with a whip stitch. If you're happy with the placement of your ear, go ahead and tighten down the stitches, and you can remove the ear marker. Secure with a knot and hide the yarn tail inside the work. Repeat this process for the other ear. Congratulations, you have now attached your ears. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!